Drones buzzing through the sky, delivering packages to doorsteps in minutes. It sounds like something out of a science fiction movie. Yet, this is reality today. The world of delivery services is being transformed by these small, agile machines. Why does this matter? Because drones are not just changing how packages arrive. They are reshaping industries, economies, and even our daily lives. Let us dive into the fascinating role of drones in delivery services and explore how they are revolutionizing the way we receive goods. Delivery by air is not a new concept, but drones have taken it to a whole new level. To understand their role, we must first look back at where it all began. The idea of using drones for deliveries started to gain traction in the early 2010s. In 2013, a certain online retail giant announced a bold vision, delivering packages using drones within 30 minutes. The announcement was met with skepticism. Drones were mostly seen as toys or military tools at the time. Could they really handle the complex task of delivering goods to customers? The answer was not clear then, but it sparked a wave of interest and investment. Companies from startups to tech titans began exploring the possibilities. The dream of fast, efficient, and eco-friendly deliveries was born, and drones were at its heart. The origin story of delivery drones is rooted in necessity. Traditional delivery methods like trucks and vans face challenges in congested cities and remote areas. Traffic jams, high fuel costs, and carbon emissions pushed companies to seek alternatives. Drones offered a solution. They could fly over traffic, reach isolated locations, and reduce the environmental footprint of deliveries. Early experiments were simple. Small drones carried lightweight packages over short distances. But those initial tests laid the groundwork for what would become a game-changing technology. By 2016, companies were conducting trial deliveries in rural areas, proving drones could work in real-world scenarios. Fast forward to today, and the evolution of delivery drones is nothing short of remarkable. Modern drones are equipped with advanced technologies like GPS, artificial intelligence, and obstacle avoidance systems. These allow them to navigate complex environments, from bustling city streets to remote mountain villages. Battery life has improved, enabling longer flights and heavier payloads. Some drones can now carry up to 55 pounds, enough for groceries or medical supplies. Innovations in automation mean drones can operate with minimal human intervention. They can pick up packages from warehouses, fly to precise locations, and even drop off goods using winches or parachutes. Companies are also experimenting with hybrid drones that combine vertical takeoff with fixed-wing flight for greater efficiency. The pace of innovation is relentless. In 2025, regulatory hurdles are being cleared in many countries, allowing drones to operate beyond visual line of sight. This means a single operator can manage multiple drones, making large-scale operations feasible. Solar-powered drones and those with swappable batteries are pushing the boundaries of range and sustainability. Meanwhile, 5G networks enable real-time communication, ensuring drones can adapt to changing conditions like weather or air traffic. The result? Delivery times are shrinking. In some areas, 15-minute deliveries are becoming standard. This is not just about speed, it is about access. Drones are bringing goods to places trucks cannot reach, from islands to disaster zones. Beyond technology, drones are making a cultural impact. They are changing how we think about convenience. In a world where instant gratification is king, drones feed into the expectation of getting what we want when we want it. They are also sparking debates about privacy and safety. Some worry about drones invading personal space or causing accidents. These concerns are valid, but they are being addressed through strict regulations and improved designs. Drones are becoming a symbol of progress, blending human ingenuity with the promise of a connected world. In rural communities, they are lifelines, delivering medicine or supplies to those cut off from traditional infrastructure. In cities, they are easing the strain on overworked delivery systems. The cultural significance of delivery drones extends to the economy. They are creating new jobs, from drone pilots to software engineers. At the same time, they are challenging traditional logistics industries. Delivery drivers and postal services must adapt to stay competitive. Drones are also leveling the playing field for small businesses. A local shop can now offer same-day delivery, rivaling the giants thanks to affordable drone services. This democratization of delivery is empowering entrepreneurs and fostering innovation. On a global scale, drones are bridging gaps in developing nations, where roads may be unreliable or non-existent. Now, let us explore some fun facts about delivery drones. Did you know the first documented drone delivery happened in 2016, when a convenience store chain delivered a burrito to a customer in Virginia? Or that some drones are designed to look like birds to blend into the environment? In Australia, drones have been used to deliver coffee to beachgoers, proving they can handle even the most specific requests. Another surprising detail, drones are not just for retail. They are delivering life-saving medical supplies, like blood and vaccines, in remote parts of Africa. In one case, a drone delivered a kidney for a transplant, saving a life in record time. These stories show the incredible versatility of drones. There are challenges, of course. Weather can ground drones and battery life remains a limiting factor. Public acceptance is another hurdle. Not everyone is thrilled about drones buzzing overhead, yet the benefits are hard to ignore. Drones reduce traffic congestion, cut emissions, and offer a level of speed that traditional methods cannot match. They are also surprisingly quiet, with some models producing less noise than a passing car. As technology improves, these challenges will likely fade, making drones a staple of delivery services worldwide. What does the future hold? Drones could become as common as delivery trucks, seamlessly integrated into our daily lives. Imagine a world where your morning coffee, your new phone, or even your pizza arrives by air, dropped gently at your doorstep. Companies are already working on drone hubs, where fleets of drones operate like a futuristic postal service. Governments are investing in air traffic systems to manage drone fleets safely. The possibilities are endless, from delivering aid in emergencies to supporting sustainable urban growth. Drones are not just tools, they are a glimpse into a faster, more connected future. This brings us to the heart of why drones matter. They are not just about delivering packages, they are about solving problems. They make life easier, faster, and more sustainable. They connect people to the goods they need, no matter where they are. The journey of delivery drones is far from over, but it is clear they are here to stay. So, what do you think? Are drones the future of delivery, or just a flashy trend? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Your perspective could spark a great conversation. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the world of delivery drones, hit that like button and subscribe to Objectified for more stories about the objects shaping our world. Do not forget to tap the bell icon so you never miss a video. Want to learn more about cutting-edge tech? Check out our playlist on innovations changing the future, linked in the description. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next one.